This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. Buying your first Rolex is an exhilarating journey into the world of luxury watches, where craftsmanship, history, and prestige converge. While the process can feel overwhelming, understanding the essentials will help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure your investment is rewarding. A Rolex is not just a purchase, it is an heirloom of timeless design and mechanical precision. In this guide brought to you by the luxury world, we will explore what makes a great entry-level Rolex, highlight some outstanding models, and offer insights to help you make the best choice. If you still need to subscribe to our channel, we highly recommend doing so to stay updated with our future videos. For first-time buyers, there are 3 critical factors to consider when choosing your Rolex: price, versatility, and value retention. These aspects will help you navigate the world of luxury timepieces and ensure your choice aligns with your expectations and lifestyle. A Rolex represents a significant investment, so it is essential to establish a realistic budget. Entry-level Rolex models typically range from $5,000 to $11,000, offering an opportunity to experience the brand's legendary craftsmanship without venturing into more extravagant price tiers. This range strikes a balance between affordability and luxury, providing access to pieces that exemplify Rolex's heritage of precision, durability, and timeless design. Choosing a timeless design is key when buying your first Rolex. Remember, this watch is not just a passing accessory, it is a piece of craftsmanship you will wear for years or even decades. Opt for models with classic aesthetics that transcend fleeting trends, ensuring they remain stylish no matter the season or occasion. A timeless design also enhances versatility, allowing the watch to transition seamlessly from casual to formal settings. Whether you wear it daily or reserve it for special occasions, your Rolex should always feel like the perfect choice. A Rolex is not just a timepiece, it is a part of your life. When choosing your first model, think about how it fits into your daily routine and the various events you will attend. Look for a watch that strikes a balance between durability and elegance, ensuring it can withstand life's adventures while complementing your style. A versatile Rolex is equally at home during a casual brunch with friends, a high-stakes business meeting, or a black tie gala. The construction and materials of a Rolex make it ideal for various activities. For instance, stainless steel cases like those in the Oyster steel line offer unparalleled strength and resistance to corrosion, making them perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Meanwhile, models with clean, understated dials work effortlessly with professional and formal attire. Whether your lifestyle leans toward adventure, sophistication, or a mix of both, there is a Rolex designed to meet your needs. A versatile watch also minimizes the worry of appearing too flashy or delicate in certain settings. Look for understated features, such as neutral dials and moderate case sizes, which allow your watch to blend effortlessly into any environment. This way, you can focus on enjoying the moment rather than worrying about whether your timepiece is appropriate. Rolex watches are more than luxury items, they are renowned for their ability to hold and even appreciate value over time. This makes them not only a beautiful accessory, but also a smart investment. Unlike many other consumer goods that lose value as soon as they are purchased, Rolex watches often retain a significant portion of their worth, especially if they are well maintained. Value retention depends heavily on choosing a model with enduring appeal. Iconic designs such as the Rolex Submariner, Datejust, and Explorer have demonstrated exceptional longevity in the market, consistently attracting buyers and collectors. Timelessness is not just about aesthetics, it is also about the reputation of the model. Go for pieces with a proven history of demand to ensure your investment remains secure. To maximize value retention, take proper care of your Rolex. This includes regular servicing, keeping original documentation like the box and papers, and avoiding aftermarket modifications that can detract from the watch's authenticity. Should you ever decide to sell or trade your watch, these measures will help you secure the best possible return on your investment. By focusing on price, versatility, and value retention, you will not only select a Rolex that enhances your style, but also make a thoughtful investment in a piece of history. Your first Rolex is more than a watch, it is the beginning of a lifelong journey into the world of luxury timepieces. Top entry-level Rolex models. A standout option for first-time buyers is the Rolex Air King Reference 14000M, a watch that embodies understated sophistication. Initially designed for pilots, the Air King offers simplicity and precision, making it a dependable companion for any occasion. The 34mm stainless steel case provides a sleek yet robust frame, complemented by a clean black dial that features the signature Air King script and minimalist hour markers. Powered by the durable caliber 3130 automatic movement, this watch boasts a 42-hour power reserve and 100 meters water resistance. Its timeless design seamlessly transitions from workwear to weekend attire, all for an accessible price of $4,170. For those seeking a minimalist yet iconic design, the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Reference 277200 offers a perfect gateway into the brand. With its clean lines and flawless proportions, the 31mm Oyster steel case is crafted from a corrosion-resistant material that combines durability with refinement. Its dome bezel and scratch-resistant sapphire crystal enhance the watch's sophistication, while the twin-lock crown system ensures water resistance up to 100 meters. Inside, the caliber 2232 movement delivers a 55-hour power reserve, incorporating a shock-resistant hairspring for precision and reliability. Available for $5,650, the Oyster Perpetual stands out for its understated elegance and timeless versatility, making it an excellent entry point into the world of Rolex. The Rolex Explorer Reference 114270 is another remarkable choice, especially for those drawn to adventure and rugged elegance. This 36mm watch was inspired by the legendary timepieces worn during the first successful ascent of Mount Everest. Its sleek black dial, accented with luminous Arabic numerals, strikes the perfect balance between sporty and refined. Encased in stainless steel and protected by a sapphire crystal, the Explorer is built to withstand daily wear and even the occasional bump. With the reliable caliber 3130 movement and 42-hour power reserve, it is a trusted companion for both business meetings and outdoor escapades. Priced at $5,347, it is an investment in Rolex heritage and versatility. For those who appreciate a touch of flair, the Rolex Datejust Reference 126234 strikes a harmonious balance between sophistication and charm. With a 36mm case crafted from a blend of oyster steel and white gold, this model exudes luxury without being ostentatious. The fluted bezel, a hallmark of Rolex, adds an iconic shine, while the Cyclops lens over the date window ensures practicality. Equipped with the caliber 3235 movement, it offers a 70-hour power reserve and water resistance up to 100 meters. Priced at $8,800, the Datejust transitions effortlessly from formal events to casual weekends, making it a versatile and timeless choice for first-time buyers seeking a hint of glamour. When purchasing a Rolex, it is vital to avoid common traps. Overpriced vintage models may seem appealing, but often come with hidden issues like heavy wear or unauthorized modifications that compromise authenticity and value. Be cautious of trendy models with inflated prices, such as the Submariner Hulk or Daytona, which can lead to overpaying during peak demand. Finally, steer clear of gray market deals that lack proper documentation or warranties, as these can result in costly problems down the line. For those buying pre-owned, the watch's condition is paramount. Well-maintained models are a better investment than scratched or poorly serviced ones. Always buy from authorized dealers or reputable second-hand sources to ensure authenticity. Check for original documentation, including the box, papers, and warranty, as these add value and provide peace of mind. If unsure about a dealer, seek references and reviews to confirm their credibility. Purchasing your first Rolex is more than just buying a watch. It is a milestone that marks the beginning of a lifelong appreciation for luxury timepieces. By taking your time, doing thorough research, and selecting a model that resonates with your style and aspirations, you will find a Rolex that becomes a cherished part of your journey. What are your thoughts on the best entry-level Rolex watches we shared in this video? Let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you for watching Luxury World, and we eagerly anticipate your participation in our upcoming videos.